What is up, my beautiful people? My name is Angie and I like to inspire creativity in others. And today we are going to be making over a purse. So let me show you a quick picture of said purse. I know it's very pretty and everything, and we probably should have left it alone, but it did need a makeover. So we're going to be making over that purse today. Okay, now no offense to anybody who likes a burnt orange kind of color such as my hair, and I just couldn't think of anything that would go with it that would kind of bring it up to date. So I did go ahead and spray paint it. And here is what it looks like spray painted. Now you might notice on the spray paint I didn't quite get everything everywhere, but I thought it would look really neat. I thought it would look kind of like a patina sort of look, if you know what I'm talking about. So that's my inspiration for not getting everything that is orange blue. And my other inspiration is I'm too lazy to sit there and spray it, so it is sprayed. Let's go ahead and move on with our next steps. So basically what I did was I grabbed a bunch of little doodads and things from my sewing room. So you can grab whatever you would like from your sewing room, but let me show you some of the things that I grabbed and we will get started decorating. First of all, I did grab this piece of fabric. So the orange in the fabric does actually match the orange in the purse. I grabbed this piece of, what do you call it? Piece of stuff. Other than that, I got some glue sticks, some fabric scissors, a glue gun. Whoa, that was a paintbrush, just so you know. A little flower. I grabbed some other flowers. I've got all these other flowers here. Ooh, I got some of these cute little tassels. Yeah, so they're cute little, I got a couple of them, probably about 5 or so. Tassels are always fun. I have these keys. So see, it's a little antique brass key. And I got some sewing needles, some thread, some E6000, which I'm going to be using super glue, but I suggest you use E6000. I also got these little costume jewelry pieces. I got them from Walmart several years ago, and they were like $2 each. I made an executive decision to put tassels at the bottom of the bag. So they would go something like this. We have 6 tassels. And so what we're going to do is sew those tassels on. I have this thread right here that is going to match perfectly. So let's get to hand sewing. Yay! I am going to actually eyeball it and hope for the best. I'm just going to go ahead and get these sewn on and I will show you once it is done. Through the magic of editing, it took only seconds for you and only a while for me. But I have gone ahead and put the tassels on the bottom of the purse. So now we have so many other doodads to glue and sew onto the bag. So let me grab all those doodads. I was really excited when I found that the flowers would match the purse. I'm talking about this type of flower here. There's also this flower here. By the way, if you're getting some value out of this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. Plus, a thumbs up would totally help the channel for free, and I would love, love, love you for it. So I know I said flowers, and I do have some flowers here. I did not bait and switch you, but I ran across this little necklace here, this little chain. I thought it would be super cute hanging right there. So I want to take a moment and sew that on right there. We're going to need some wire cutters and a needle and thread. Let's get the wire cutters. We want to leave one ring on so we can sew it on each side. The rest we're going to cut off. I had to go down to the workshop and get some wire cutters, and I was able to cut it. So the next thing we're going to do is sew it onto the purse just like that. We're going to sew the top piece here and the top piece here, and we'll let the rest just kind of dangle down there. going to say, something's not going my way. I'm an only child and things always go my way. Did you ever get a song stuck in your head? You would not believe what song is stuck in my head. It's by somebody whose initials are MJ and they sing Beat It. And oh my gosh, I don't know why it's in there, but I need it to get out right now. And then there's the Weird Al Yankovic version. I know I don't look like it, but I'm 45 and my vision is not as good as it used to be either. But I still feel like I'm 29 and that is all that matters. What are my tricks to looking so young when I'm 45? You're gonna have to ask me to do a video in the comments and I'll let you know. Sorry, too lazy to move the camera right now. And it is done. It's sewn on, so I will show you. There we have it. I think that looks super cool. Now I think we should go ahead and maybe add some flowers. Okay, so we have got all of these flowers. So let's just take some flowers off and play around and see what happens. Plus, we still have the keys. Maybe the keys should be a little charm on this little doodad that comes there. And there we go. Alright, so let's play around with these flowers. We're going to do it like this. This is going to look bomb. What I want to do is take and cut off the little end there, this little end right here, so I can glue it more flat onto the purse. This is where I said use E6000 instead of using hot glue. Hot glue will probably be just fine, but if you want it to stay for sure and all that, I would use E6000, but I'm like an instant gratification person and I need it right now, so I'm using hot glue. There we have it with the flowers glued on. Let's see if there's anywhere else we might want to add any flowers. Let me show you what it looks like now that those have been added. I think the keys would really tie in some of this green that we have going on here and some of the antique brass that we have going on. So let's see what we can do with some keys. I like those two. Looks like we are going to be sewing on some keys, and here is what they look like. We're gonna tie them on. Okay, so this purse is done. We've got the flowers, we've got the rhinestones, we've got the keys, and we've got the tassels. Plus we have the blue paint. I am going to go ahead and change into something that I can model this for you in so it matches my outfit. And I will be right back for the final finale of the purse making. And this is my dog Foxy. He wanted to say hi before the reveal. He's a fox terrier and he's about 5 years old or so. He's my best little buddy. He sleeps with me every night and he comes in with me when I do my videos. He's always behind the scenes, but you guys don't usually see him, so I thought I'd show you my little Foxy Moxy. And now for the final reveal! With an outfit that matches, so I say. There we go. What do you think? Leave me some comments below. Let me know if you think I should have added some stuff, taken away some stuff. Let me know any feedback that you have because all feedback is a gift. I'd like to thank you so much for watching the video. And once again, if you got value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any creative posts. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free, which would help me continue making videos. So thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.